Most kitchens are full, and yet there's always something missing that would make everything faster and easier. Today, you're about to see kitchen gadgets almost no one has, but once you see them in action, they're impossible to ignore. Some look simple, some look unnecessary. Those are usually the ones you end up using every day. Stay until the end. The last one doesn't look impressive at first, until it does its job. All links are in the description. Like, subscribe, and keep watching. This kitchen utensil set is built for people who want everything ready in one place. Umite Chef brings together 34 essential tools, covering daily cooking tasks without forcing you to buy extras later. From stirring and flipping to grating and serving, every piece feels purposeful and easy to use. The silicone heads handle high heat confidently, protecting non-stick cookware while staying flexible and durable. Wooden handles add comfort and keep heat away from your hands, giving the set a warm, classic look on the counter. An internal stainless steel core keeps each utensil sturdy without losing balance. Food-grade materials stay odor-free and safe for everyday cooking. The included holder keeps the kitchen organized and tools within reach. You can get this complete cooking set for $25.97 and start cooking with confidence, consistency, and a clean setup from day one. This kitchen system is built for people who want performance without juggling multiple appliances. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System delivers serious power, turning ice into snow, blending frozen fruit smoothly, and handling dense ingredients without slowing down. The full-size pitcher is perfect for family batches, while the food processor makes quick work of chopping, pureeing, and even mixing dough with consistent results. When mornings are rushed, the single-serve cups let you blend and go without extra cleanup. Dedicated blades are designed for specific tasks, so everything feels intentional and efficient instead of improvised. From smoothies and sauces to dough and meal prep, it keeps the workflow simple and fast. Cleanup stays easy with dishwasher-safe parts, which matters when you use it often. You can bring this complete kitchen system home for $144.99 and replace several countertop tools with one setup that actually keeps up. This immersion blender is built for people who want smooth results without pulling out a full-size machine. The 1100-watt copper motor delivers strong, consistent power, so soups blend evenly, sauces emulsify cleanly, and baby food comes out silky instead of lumpy. Variable speed activation responds to pressure, letting you move naturally from gentle mixing to high-power blending while keeping splashes under control. The nylon blade guard reduces suction and protects your pots and pans, so you can blend directly in hot cookware without scratching the surface. Its ergonomic handle stays comfortable during longer prep sessions, and the 5-in-1 attachments swap with a single click for chopping, whisking, or frothing. Cleanup is quick with detachable parts, and food-safe materials handle hot ingredients confidently. You can get it for $34.19. This portable electric lunch warmer is made for people who want real food, not cold leftovers. The crock pot design heats meals gently, keeping flavors intact instead of drying them out. Its compact 20-ounce size is perfect for soups, chili, pasta, or home-cooked meals at work, school, or while traveling. A secure sealing lid prevents spills during transport, so it can move safely from kitchen to bag to desk. The detachable cord stores separately, making it easy to pack without clutter. The soft touch exterior feels comfortable and looks clean and modern in any setting. Dishwasher-safe inner parts keep cleanup simple, even with daily use. It is a smart alternative to shared microwaves and rushed meals, letting you enjoy warm food on your own schedule. You can get it for $29.99. This kitchen tool is designed for people who want faster prep without turning cooking into a chore. The Muller Pro series combines chopping, slicing, dicing, grating, and spiralizing into one compact system that handles fruits and vegetables with ease. Interchangeable stainless steel blades cut cleanly and consistently, whether you are making salads, stir-fry, or vegetable pasta. The built-in container keeps everything contained, reducing mess and saving counter space, while the food holder adds safety and control with smaller ingredients. Cleanup stays simple thanks to dishwasher-safe parts and a compact design that stores easily. By cutting prep time down, it makes home cooking feel more realistic on busy days and helps you rely less on processed options. You can get it for $33.97. These stove gap covers fix a problem most kitchens quietly live with every day. They seal the space between your stove and countertop, stopping crumbs, grease, and spills from falling into areas that are nearly impossible to clean. The T-shaped design lays flat and creates a tight barrier, working better than insert-style covers that still let liquid seep through. Flexible food-grade silicone adjusts to uneven gaps, grips naturally without sliding, and stays stable even near heat. Installation takes seconds, and trimming them to fit your stove is easy with regular scissors. The matte surface resists stains and wipes clean quickly, or you can place them in the dishwasher when needed. It is a small change that keeps your kitchen cleaner with far less effort. You can get it for $7.99. These stove gap covers fix a problem most kitchens quietly live with every day. They seal the space between your stove and countertop, stopping crumbs, grease, and spills from falling into areas that are nearly impossible to clean. The T-shaped design lays flat and creates a tight barrier, working better than insert-style covers that still let liquid seep through. Flexible food-grade silicone adjusts to uneven gaps, grips naturally without sliding, and stays stable even near heat. Installation takes seconds, and trimming them to fit your stove is easy with regular scissors. The matte surface resists stains and wipes clean quickly, or you can place them in the dishwasher when needed. It is a small change that keeps your kitchen cleaner with far less effort. You can get it for $7.99. This butter container makes everyday prep cleaner and more precise. It stores butter in the refrigerator while doubling as a built-in slicer, so you cut and store in one simple step. The stainless steel wire grid presses smoothly through softened butter, creating even slices that stay neatly arranged inside the container for easy access later. It fits most standard butter sizes, including 2 4-ounce sticks, and keeps portions ready without guessing or mess. The transparent design lets you see what is left at a glance, while the lid protects the butter during storage and acts as the cutting tool when needed. It is especially useful for baking, breakfast prep, or anyone who prefers consistent portions without reaching for a knife. You can get it for $9.79. This refrigerator organizer is built for people who want order without constant restocking. The sliding design automatically moves cans forward as you grab one, keeping drinks visible and easy to reach at all times. Its adjustable depth lets it fit different refrigerator shelves, so it feels custom instead of forced. Removable rows make it flexible enough for sodas, sparkling water, juice cans, or even small bottles and soups. Industrial-grade materials keep it gliding smoothly even when fully loaded, and each unit holds a large number of drinks without collapsing or tipping. It turns cluttered fridge shelves into a clean, grab-and-go system that actually stays organized. You can get it for $99.99. These trivets are designed to adapt to real kitchen use instead of forcing one fixed size. The elastic stainless steel structure expands easily, letting you support anything from a small mug to a large baking tray or serving dish. Built from food-grade stainless steel, they handle hot cookware straight from the stove or microwave without bending or warping, protecting countertops and tables from heat damage. The open design allows heat to dissipate quickly, while the two-tone blue finish adds a modern decorative touch that looks good even when left out. When not in use, they fold down neatly or hang for compact storage. Practical, durable, and visually clean, they work just as well for daily cooking as for hosting and serving. You can get it for $21.99. This egg slicer is built to save time while keeping results clean and consistent. With 3 cutting modes, it lets you slice, cube, or wedge hard-boiled eggs in seconds, giving salads, sandwiches, and plates a neat chef-style finish. Sharp stainless steel wires cut smoothly without crushing, while the sturdy frame keeps everything aligned and controlled. It is not limited to eggs either. Strawberries, mushrooms, grapes, cherry tomatoes, olives, and kiwi all slice easily, making it a versatile prep tool for everyday meals. Using it is simple. Place the food, close the cutter, and you are done. Cleanup is just as easy with dishwasher-safe parts in a compact size that stores without taking space. It turns repetitive prep into a quick, clean step you barely think about. You can get it for $19.45. These cedar planks are made to bring restaurant-style grilling straight to your backyard. Their wider size gives salmon and vegetables enough surface area to cook evenly while absorbing a rich, natural, smoky aroma. Made from 100% natural cedar with no chemicals, Each plank is smoothly sanded and safe for cooking. After soaking in water, the wood slowly releases moisture on the grill, keeping food tender while infusing deep flavor you cannot get from direct heat alone. They work beautifully for salmon, shrimp, vegetables, and even smaller cuts of meat, adding aroma without overpowering the dish. With a full set included, they are ideal for frequent grilling, hosting, or weekend cookouts. Simple to use and easy to elevate everyday meals, they also make a thoughtful gift for anyone who enjoys outdoor cooking. You can get it for $17.89. This rotating storage cart is designed to keep produce visible, accessible, and fresher for longer. The 5-level basket system spins smoothly, letting you reach fruits or vegetables from any angle without digging or unloading everything. Each wire basket promotes airflow, helping reduce moisture buildup, while the raised sides keep items secure as the cart moves. Built from sturdy steel, it feels stable and balanced, even when fully loaded. The rolling base makes it easy to move between the kitchen, pantry, or dining area, and locking wheels keep it in place when needed. Beyond produce, it works just as well for snacks, drinks, household items, or even craft supplies. Assembly is quick, and the vertical design saves floor space while adding generous storage. It brings order to busy kitchens without hiding what you actually use every day. You can get it for $81.21. These bag clips solve 2 problems at once: sealing and pouring. Instead of folding bags or fighting with loose clips, these snap onto snack, cereal, or pantry bags and turn them into easy pour containers. The built-in spouts let you control portions cleanly, whether you are pouring cereal, chips, pasta, pet food, or coffee beans. Made from food-grade plastic, they feel sturdy, reusable, and easy to rinse when needed. Different spout sizes help match small snacks or larger dry goods, while the seal helps keep food fresh longer and reduce waste. Adhesive hooks make storage simple, keeping clips visible and ready instead of lost in drawers. They are compact enough for home use or travel and practical for daily kitchen routines. Once you use them, regular bag clips feel outdated. You can get it for $14.99. This cooler backpack is built for days that require cold drinks without carrying bulky gear. The thick insulation keeps beverages and food chilled for hours, making it reliable for the beach, camping trips, hikes, or long workdays. Dual insulated compartments separate drinks from dry food, so everything stays organized and easy to access. The leak-resistant lining handles ice and condensation without turning into a mess, while the durable water-resistant exterior holds up to outdoor use. Multiple pockets store snacks, essentials, and small accessories, and the built-in bottle opener adds everyday convenience. Padded shoulder straps and a lightweight design make it far more comfortable than traditional hard coolers, even when fully loaded. With generous capacity, it fits meals, drinks, and snacks without feeling oversized. You can get it for $33.7. This Bento lunchbox is designed for adults who want organized meals without compromises. The stacked container system keeps foods separated, preserving flavor and texture instead of mixing everything together. Leak-resistant construction helps prevent spills during transport, making it reliable for workdays, travel, or busy schedules. Insulated materials help maintain temperature longer, so meals stay fresh until it is time to eat. The containers are microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe, making daily use simple and practical. A clean, minimal design fits easily into the included lunch bag and feels appropriate for professional or casual settings. It is a smart solution for anyone who prefers homemade meals that travel well and stay organized from kitchen to table. You can get it for $28.99. These food storage containers are designed to keep fruits, vegetables, and meats fresh for longer without extra effort. Each container includes a removable colander that lifts produce above excess moisture, improving airflow and reducing sogginess. From berries and herbs to chopped vegetables or fresh meat, the different sizes make it easy to store everything properly instead of forcing items into the wrong container. Airtight lids lock in freshness while staying simple to open when you need quick access. The stackable design keeps your refrigerator organized and space efficient, turning cluttered shelves into a clean system. Made from durable BPA-free plastic, they are safe for the dishwasher, freezer, and microwave, fitting naturally into daily meal prep and storage routines. They help reduce food waste while keeping ingredients ready to use at any time. You can get it for $18.98. These clear storage containers are made to simplify everyday organization across your home. The transparent design lets you see contents instantly, so nothing gets forgotten at the back of the fridge or pantry. Built-in handles make pulling them out effortless. Whether you are grabbing snacks, ingredients, or drinks, their medium size fits neatly in deep shelves, cabinets, refrigerators, or freezers without wasting space. Made from durable BPA-free plastic, they feel lightweight yet sturdy enough for daily use. Beyond the kitchen, they work just as well in bathrooms, closets, offices, or playrooms, adapting easily to whatever needs organizing. You can get it for $23.99. This divided snack container is made for sharing without the mess. The Capersi tray keeps everything separated with 10 roomy compartments, so fruits, nuts, sweets, and snacks stay organized without flavors mixing. 2 built-in sauce containers seal tightly, keeping dips and dressings exactly where they belong during travel. The secure locking lid and airtight seal prevent spills while helping food stay fresh longer. A sturdy handle makes it easy to carry from kitchen to car to picnic table, and the durable BPA-free construction feels solid enough for repeated use. Cleanup is simple with dishwasher-safe parts, making it practical for parties, road trips, or everyday snacking. It turns casual food into an easy grab and serve setup wherever you go. You can get it for $13.99. This oil dispenser is designed to give you control without slowing you down in the kitchen. The dual-function design lets you spray or pour from the same bottle, so it adapts easily to salads, grilling, frying, or roasting without switching tools. Each spray releases a fine, even mist that helps you manage oil portions more precisely, while the pour option handles recipes that need a steady flow. Made from thick glass and food-grade materials, it feels solid, safe, and easy to clean. The wide opening makes refilling simple, and the clear body lets you see oil levels at a glance. The ergonomic handle and front nozzle keep hands clean while delivering consistent results. It is a small upgrade that improves daily cooking habits without extra effort. You can get it for $9.99. This wine gift set is built to make every bottle feel effortless and refined. With a single button, the electric opener removes corks smoothly, while the automatic aerator pours wine directly into the glass, enhancing aroma and softening tannins instantly. The precision pourer keeps the flow clean and drip-free, so serving feels controlled without lifting or waiting. A secure stopper helps preserve freshness between glasses, and the foil cutter keeps openings neat and quick. Quiet operation and rechargeable power make it easy to use during dinners, celebrations, or relaxed nights at home. Everything stores neatly in the included EVA case, turning it into a polished gift that feels complete and thoughtful. You can get it for $75.99. This cookware set is built for kitchens that need flexibility without sacrificing performance. The ceramic nonstick coating delivers smooth cooking and easy cleanup, while staying free from harmful chemicals. A secure removable handle locks in place for confident stovetop use, then detaches to save space in cabinets, ovens, or RV kitchens. The aluminum construction heats evenly across different cooktops, including induction, gas, and ceramic, keeping results consistent. By removing the handle, washing becomes faster and storage stays compact, making it practical for small spaces and everyday cooking. Durable materials and thoughtful design make this set easy to live with long-term. You can get it for $56.97.